Now you understand the importance of first aid provision in your workplace, you may wonder how to take the necessary steps to ensure your business is fully compliant and prepared. This is where ProTrainings can help. At ProTrainings, we specialise in providing high quality HSE-compliant first aid training and certification to businesses across the UK. Whether you need to train new first aiders, update your first aid kits or implement more structured first aid plans, we offer flexible, accredited solutions to meet your needs. One of the key ways we can support your business is by offering a wide range of first aid training courses tailored to different workplace environments. We provide over 350 courses nationwide at your workplace or regional training centres. The courses can be taken as blended or video online. We also have an instructor training side if you want to teach in-house. By offering flexible training formats, we make it easier and more cost-effective for businesses to keep their staff adequately trained and certified. Training is one part of workplace first aid provision. Having the correct first aid kits and equipment is equally important. We offer expert guidance on selecting, stocking and maintaining a full range of first aid and medical equipment. We offer a full range of kits including bespoke and personalised kits. Ensuring your workplace is fully compliant and prepared for medical emergencies is essential, not just for legal reasons, but for the safety and well-being of your employees. To learn how ProTrainings can help you, visit protrainings.uk. Contact us by phone, email or online chat. At ProTrainings, we're committed to helping businesses stay safe, compliant and fully prepared for any emergency.